Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color Mickey and Minnie Mouse. Let's start drawing. To start, I'm going to draw Mickey Mouse. I draw his nose, then his eyes, and after this, his smiling mouth. Now I draw his face and the shape of his head with his two round ears. Then I draw the upper part of his body like this. Okay, now let's draw Minnie Mouse next to him. I draw her nose, her eyes with big eyelashes, then her smiling mouth. I continue with her little face, then the shape of her head. She wears a big bow on the top of her head. Between her ears. Amazing! I also draw the upper part of her body. How beautiful! Finally, let's draw some hearts around her. Good job! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. To color Mickey's face, I use cream. Then I use this marker, light red, for his mouth. I also used the same cream color for Minnie's face. Then I color her mouth with light red too. For her bow, I use this pink marker. It has white dots on it. And I color her dress with the same pink marker. Red for the hearts. I love it! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.